What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon, and we are back in these streets. Alright people, we out here doing these cleanup slash cuts. This yard right here has a lot of leaves. I'm gonna show y'all in a second, but this is gonna be kind of a prep cut slash cleanup. That's why I have the mulching kit on my T-bar, and so I gotta blow the leaves in the back. I'm not gonna show y'all that, but I am gonna show y'all this front yard. We're gonna see how good this Toro T-bar really is. Alright people, so yeah, as you can see, there's lots of nice fluffy leaves. I'm hoping the T-bar chops these up pretty good because I don't have the Mustang to bag them up, even if I wanted to. I'm trying to decide if I should go over them one time. I'm thinking that's what I might do. Even though I don't got sharp blades on the Gravely, I might go over them one time with the Gravely just to kind of pre-cut them up and then finish it off with the T-bar. That's always been my plan, because the Gravely is like my muscle, so that's what I use if it's a lot of leaves like this, because I'm trying to get this yard crispy clean. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Like I said, the blades on my Gravely definitely need to be changed, but I'm not trying to leave a clean cut with the Gravely. I'm just trying to get this yard prepped up and get these leaves a little bit mulched up. Then we're gonna come behind with that T-bar and finish her off. Yes sir. Alright, people. You see it. You see it. So like I said, we got this bad boy cut down. Where was I cutting it at? I think I was cutting it at 2.5 inches. Got it nice and crispy clean. See, you always want to, it's real muddy as you can see. So tip, I try not to go into the ditch, and I didn't trim anything. You'll probably can tell that, but because this is just what I call a prep cut. This is just to get a majority of the grass down low for the beginning of the season. Anywho, that's all I'm gonna do today. I did this yard and I did the yard across the street. I think she wanted to get me to head some tree branches. I gotta buy me a pole saw. I used to have a pole saw for my little Toro Bilt trimmer, but that Toro Bilt trimmer conked out, so now I'm gonna have to get the Echo version. Anywho, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Yes, sir.